Mayilon My81C. It is a Catiii600V 6000 multimeter. It uses battery 2 pieces of 1.5 watt AAA. Its size is 147 x 77 x 17 mm. It weighs 251 grams. It includes a battery. Test pen is built-in type, and it uses PVC cable and 65 cm long. It Catiii600V 10 amp. DC watt is 0.8 watt to 600V. AC watt is 0.8 watt to 600V. It has die output function. It has continuity function. If less than 50 ohm may be sound on. Resistor range is 0.1 ohm to 60 mega ohm. Capacity function is 0.001 nF to 60 MF. It has auto power off function, NCV function, and flashlight function. It built-in type test pen, Catiii600V. I'll remove the cap first. And the backside is a battery compartment. We open it now. Let's see the user menu first. Okay, let's see the function. And let's see the meter function. In the right side, they have a power on-off key. Now power on in auto mode. Once again, maybe DC, AC, die and continuity, capacitor, return to auto. They have on the left side the torch function. One part is torch on, but not very bright. Parts again may be off. And in the left side top, they have a NCV function. Parts again they have a NCV. And return to auto practice key, and there is a hold key. It had hold the data. Function test of the hold key and the home temperature. Now testing the DC wall by pressing this switch. Now hold the data. is 9.22 volt. And this meter, plus again, maybe this meter hole. And now display is the home temperature. It can change to the Fahrenheit by long part of this string. Long part now is Fahrenheit. Long part again maybe return to the Celsius. Okay, let's see another function. The meter have a home temperature display function. Now display is 22 degrees C. It very like the unity meter. It shows 21.7 degrees C. Okay, next test. Weapon DC voltage test. 2.5 volt. It shows 2.506. 5 volt. It shows 5.01213. And 7.5 volt. It shows 7.51 or 2 volt. 10 volt. It shows 10.02 volt. And let's see the manual mode. This meter. Now in manual mode. 10 volt. It shows 10.02. 7.5 volt. It shows 7.52 volt. 5 volt. It shows 5.013 volt. 2.5 volt. It shows 2.508 or 7 volt. Okay, next test. Normal AC voltage test. And this meter shows 222.2. Need a foot reading. Okay, next test. NCV test. Need about 1.5 cm. They have 1 bar. Knee is 2 bar. Touch about 3 bar. Knee also 3 bar. Okay, let's see the cable. There is the cable. Knee about 1 bar. And touch is 4 bar. It's not very sensitive, but can with the cable, the light up. Okay, next test. NCV find the hot wire. Now use the NCV function find the hot wire. Neutral, no. Earth, no. Hot wire, they can find the hot wire. And use the back test leaf. Neutral, no. Earth, no. Hot wire, it can find the hot wire. Okay, next test. Auto function check. Now check the DC first. You can read 9.22. Okay, resistor. You can read 40.2 ohm. And AC. Okay. Next test. Resistor test. And this meter now in auto mode. Start the test it. Then maybe wait a time, maybe 10 to 0.1 or 0. Okay. It's not stable. And let's see the resistor of 0.5 ohm. It's not stable, and around 2 ohm to the 0 ohm. It not test the 0.5 ohm. And let's see the 1 ohm. Then maybe 2.4 ohm to the 0.3 ohm or 2 ohm. Not stable. Okay. 10 ohm. Then maybe 10.2 ohm. And maybe under 9.8 ohm. Okay. Next is 50 ohm. In a low ohm state, they may not stable and maybe under the reading or over the reading. Okay, next test. 2 meg. ISO 1.996 meg. 22 meg. ISO 22.46 meg. 40 meg. ISO 41.4 meg. 60 meg. It cannot read the reading. Okay. In a manual mode. Now it's in manual mode. One ohm. ISO 2. Or 1.8 ohm not stable. Or bigger. 2 meg. It over because this manual mode no resistance. It is a continuity mode of this one. We use the resistor 40 ohm. Then maybe so 41.3 ohm. Okay. Let's see the continuity mode for this one. One. With about 67 dB of this meter. It not very far. It have 1 second for B. in auto mode. Fast, it not reborn. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. It about 55 dB of this in auto mode. Okay, next test. And dynamo checks. Now the dynamo voltage. 3.99 watt. And let's test the time. It's so 0.5 watt. It's okay. And let's test the dynamo light on the LED. Red, okay. Yellow, okay. Green, okay. Blue, okay. And the white, also okay. Okay, next test. Capacitor test. Now it's a 10 mil. Let's test it. Decharge it first. It's so 10.67. It's so 1.035 megafarad. And let's test the bigger one. Now as a 25 μF. It's so 26.11. And let's see the bigger. Discharge it first for the negative of this one. It's so 4.3 or 4.46 megafarad. Okay, next test. And weapon resistor and cap test. There is the weapon reading. Now check the resistor first. Resistor. It with 4.987 km. And now check the weapon capacitor. Now in capacitor mode. And it's so 121 or 120.9 millifarad. Okay, next test. Auto power off check. When turn on the meter, there may be in auto and have a 1 logo. There may be auto power off function. If not, use the meter in 15 minutes may be auto close off. And when you want to cancel it, first power off the meter, and long put 2 switch. And VB come out, and the one logo may be cancelled. Then maybe cancel the auto power off function. And now testing the auto power off function now, and we open the meter now. Now in auto power off mode and check it. Okay, now video speed up. High DC voltage test. 100 watt. ISO 111 watt. Need a full reading. 250 watt. ISO 276.9 watt. Need a full reading. 500 watt. ISO 528 watt. Need a full reading. And this meter mix is 600 watt. Okay, next test. Millivoltage test of this meter in auto mode. That milli is 0.8 watt. Now 0.7 watt. And testing, no any reading. 0.8 watt. It can read 0.8 watt in auto mode. And let's see the manual mode. 0.8 watt. Also show the reading. 0.7. Also see the reading. 0.6 watt. Also see the reading. 5. 0.5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0.01 watt. You can show it. Okay, next test. Power consumption test. Now supply is 3 watt and reference voltage is 1 watt. Now draw the current is 65.28 milliamp and open the touch. Open the touch is 75.66 milliamp. Turn off again. And let's see the meter. Now we turn down the voltage. $2.9, 2.7, 2.6 watt, 2.5 watt. The battery low logo come out. And let low down it. $2.3 watt. The meter goes down. Okay. Next test. Meter teardown. There may be 4 screws in the 4 corners before I open it. There's no any shielding, and there are solid cable to the circuit board. And let's see the circuit board. Okay, let's open it. Then in the downside, they have a switch, buzzer, and a control relay, and the LCD skin. We open it. There is the huge LCD skin. It cooks some color in it, and there is a backlight. There is the backlight. Come with a cable, born in LED, and the circuit board no any other component in the other side of this one. See again, there is a NCV and the thinner. The cable board. And the switch. Okay, teardown finish. NCV test. Near 1.5 cm they have 1 bar. Near is 2 bar. Near is 3 bar. Touch is a 4 bar.